Courtroom sketches of Hunter Biden flashing headlines, convicted, appeal failed, fallout begins. Hunter Biden, son of President Joe Biden, is back in the national spotlight. Following his conviction on federal gun charges, his legal team has now officially filed an appeal setting off a legal and political storm in Washington. Hunter Biden arriving at court walking past reporters. In June, Hunter Biden was found guilty on 3 felony counts related to the legal purchase and possession of a firearm in 2018. Prosecutors argued he lied on a federal background check by claiming he was not using drugs at the time, a violation of federal law. Zoom in on legal documents appeal paperwork. Now his legal team is challenging the conviction, arguing that the case was politically motivated and that the charge violated his Second Amendment rights. They claim the statutes under which he was convicted in unconstitutional, especially after recent Supreme Court rulings that suspended gun rights. Legal expert soundbite is Hunter Biden's appeal raises serious constitutional questions not just about his case, but about how federal gun laws are enforced more broadly. Protesters on both sides, justice for all signs versus no special treatment signs. The political reaction swift and polarized. Democrats have tried to draw a line between Hunter's personal legal troubles and President Biden's governance. They point to the independence of the Justice Department and the fact that a special counsel appointed under Trump-era U.S. attorney brought the case. President Biden at a podium. President Biden has publicly stood by his son, stating he won't not intervene and respect the judicial process even if it involves his own family. Biden said that I am the president, but I am also a dad. I support my son and I respect the rule of law. Republican leaders speaking to media overlay their headlines, GOP slams DOJ. Republicans, however, are not buying it. Many have accused the DOJ of offering Hunter Biden a sweetheart deal before the gun case went to trial, referring of a coerced plea deal from last year that would have resolved both case tax and gun charges. They say the appeal is just the latest example of double standards in how justice is applied to politically connected figure. GOP soundbite or overly quote is any another American would be behind bars already. This case is not over, it's just beginning. Congressional hearing room, Hunter Biden sub-opinion graphics. The conviction and appeal come as House Republicans continue their own investigation into Hunter Biden's overseas business dealings and whether the president had any involvement. So far, no direct evidence has linked Joe Biden to any criminal conduct, but the optics remain politically damaging, especially with the 2025 election heating up. Biden and Trump campaign trails split screen. With a Biden versus Trump rematch looming, the Hunter Biden saga is already fueling campaign rhetoric. Trump and his allies are using conviction to paint the Biden family as corrupt, while Democrats argue that the legal process proves no one is above the law. Courtroom exterior, scales of Justice Hunter Biden walking silently out of the court. Hunter Biden's appeal could take months or longer to resolve, but the political fallout is already here. And as the 2025 campaign intensifies, the legal drama will remain central and deeply divisive, part of Americans' national conversation. Developing story, appeal in progressive. We will keep you updated as this case unfolds.